In the midst of all the hoopla caused by the recent budget cuts implemented by Governor Christie, New Jersey is in a mad scramble to preserve many historic landmarks that have been here for decades. And behind me stands Lucy, one of the most famous elephants in the world. She was first created as a tourist attraction and a way to sell real estate, and still remains one of the most popular roadside attractions in the world. She's about 129 years old and stands 65 feet high, 60 feet long, and 18 feet wide. And recently, the media class caught up with Alan Boo Pergamon, an Atlantic City historian, to talk about the importance of preserving Lucy and other famous landmarks found in Atlantic City.
I can't even remember the smell of Case or Taylor's pork roll. Just lure you in Planters peanuts. Here's a huge factory they had making the peanuts, air conditioned, with the doors wide open, so the smell could grab you by the nostrils and pull you in. It was the way it was, Mr. Peanut outside. See? I could go on and on with different things that existed as you walk down the boardwalk and enjoy the beach, the ocean, the boats. You bump the crowd, just seeing the crowd, the gorgeous stores. It was wonderful just to walk down the boardwalk and do nothing, dressed up. That was the way it was. So without some of these things that you're talking about, the lighthouse and Lucy, they're some of the mainstays that visitors come to see. Now they have lighthouse organizations that try to see how many they can visit in the state or how many they can visit in the country or whatever. But Absecon Lighthouse is the third largest in the country, and
New Jersey may be one of the most historically rich places in the country. And with your help, we can help preserve the things that make New Jersey, New Jersey. I'm Kevin WINSTEAD, now back to the anchors with more.